Hello. In this video, I will tell you about the power cycle, how it goes on, and what are the dynamics of power cycle. Hello. In this video, I will tell you about the power cycle, how it goes on, and what are the dynamics of it. Okay. So, what it's mean by power cycle? For example, if I would say 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 6, 2 power 5. So, for example, if I would say, does the power repeat itself or not when any number is subjected to power? For example, let's suppose 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 6, 64. So, for example, you can see that this power cycle is repeating. Now you can calculate by your own as well in your mobile phone. For example, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4. Now I can show that the next whenever you will multiply, for example, with the 7, the last digit would be 8. How? Because the power is repeating itself. So this is what is meant by the power cycle. Any number any number you can say that it repeat when it's subjected to the power. When it is in the power and multiplying the power, so it repeats in a cycle. For example, you can see that there is a table. The cycle of power 1 is same going on. The cycle of power is 2, the power 2 is going on, 3 is also going on, 4 is also going on, 5 is also going on, 6 is also, 7 is also. It is repeating after some limit, uh, after some limitation, after some. So this is the dynamics of power cycle. And what is the applicability of the power cycle? For example, if I would say here is a 2, can you multiply that? Can you tell me what could be the last digit of it? It would be very hard to multiply. Even your calculator would not tell you the last digit. It would tell you in this form. Okay, power 8 and this. So here is the applicability of that power cycle. For example, the you don't need, if you are asked that you have to multiply 2 with the power 282, so you don't need to count all other except the last. Just take the last 2 power 2 and it would be 4. So whenever these numbers are will be multiplied, so you can say that you can easily say that the last digit would be 4. Okay. For example, if I would say here is a 4, the power 4, for example, if I would say 9, 8, 9, 7. Okay. And now, can you say that what could be the unit digit of when you will multiply this? Yeah, you can say it, because just take the last digit, for example, 4, 7. Now it would be very hard for that. How can you say that? Because it is the 7. So how can you do that? For example, just take that table, because 4 power 1 is 4, 4 power 2 is 16, and then it would be again 4, then would be 6. So just 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 uh just take the, just break into the cycle 4, 6. It's mean the cycle is 2. After 2 it is repeating itself. So when it is repeating, so you can say that it would be repeat as well, 4 power 2, 4 power 2. Okay. So when you will just multiplying this, that would be 6. Okay. So the last is the 4 power 1. Okay. So what could be the 4 power 1 is 4. Okay, you can do that. For example, if I would say the 8 power is 9, 8, 5, 6. Okay, now how can you tell the last digit? For example, if I would say 8 multiply, for example, 8, the power is 6. So just go back to the cycle. 8 after how many after how many numbers it is repeating itself? 8, 4, 2, 6, 8, 4. It's mean after 4. So just 8, 4 multiply by 8, 2. Okay, now just count this. 8 power 2 is 4. The last would be 4. How I created this table? This you can also create this table by your own. For example, for the smallest digit you can do by your you can do manually. For example, 2 power 1 is 4, 2 power 4, 2 power 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 16, 2, 4, 6, 32, 64, 128. So you can say that you can see that it is repeating itself. Okay. For the number like 7 and 8, for example, 7 power 1 is 7, 7 power 2 is 49, and then then it would be any number with the 3. You can do by you can do in calculator as well. For example, there is a calculator for you. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 equal to this. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 is this. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 times I'm multiplying. Now you can see that it is repeating again. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is repeating. You can see that. Okay. After it is again repeating. 7 power 1 would be obviously 7 power 1 would be 7.